Hey, I got some tips for success with washing your car with Success Auto Wash and Detail. Today's lesson, we're going to be talking about how do I know if my car is properly waxed or sealed? What should it look like? So here's a perfect example. I got my Lincoln here, and you see how the water is beads, like the water is beaded up, it's not laying flat. That means there's some type of surface protection on the vehicle. Now, if you compare these beads, you see how they're kind of laying down flat to the beading on this car where they seem to be tighter and standing up a little bit better. That is usually the case when either the wax or sealant has been applied recently and it's still performing very well, or in a lot of cases, ceramic coatings or ceramic sealants perform a lot better, and they perform a higher contact angle with the water on the surface. That makes the water stand up higher, causing the bead to be tighter and roll off the paint faster. This would be a perfect example of when the vehicle is got a bunch of surface dirt on it, and you can tell how it is failing to bead anymore, and the surface is allowing the water to lay flat. Usually with a proper wash, you can remove that surface contaminant, and the wax or sealant or coating will continue to perform as it's supposed to. Show you here how this surface has, well, it has no paint on it, but it also is not protected with any type of wax, sealant, or coating in comparison to this surface. The water is laying flat. It's not performing in any way. It's just dead on the panel. So now you know how to tell if your car is properly waxed or sealed or coated, or maybe your car just needs a good decontamination wash to get that wax or sealant or coating to perform better again.